Okay. Time to test out our new GoPro setup and the helmet. The weather is nice. I like it here. So me and my nephew are on our way to home, and we're riding this Splendor Plus X-Tech, I believe. The weather is really nice. It's shiny, or should I say sunny? Anything works, I guess. These roads are very narrow, and you can't really go with much speed here. I'm still learning, and that's why I'm not on the highway. I'm in the countryside. Cause I'm not an expert. Look at this road. Beautiful in a magnificent way. Green trees on both sides and a very straightforward road, which I believe everyone likes. That my nephew is impressed because I overtook that van. Funny guy. Ooh, DJ Baharul. I love the fact that there is no potholes on this road. Like you can just glide on the surface of this road, which is beautiful. It's easier and more confident to ride with a helmet than riding without it. You get more confidence when you have a helmet. Less vocal, not much loud, which should be a good test for this microphone, so that I can make sure that the person sitting behind me cannot hear me at all. And if it works, it will be great. I mean, I can say anything without letting the guy behind me hearing at all. That will be nice if that works. Move away. That's funny. যাচ্ছি আমি বাজারে যাচ্ছি তুমি যাও তুমি নামো
দেখতে গেলাম কি দেখবা